Good morning guys and welcome to our bathroom, toweled bathroom. Today I have a very special project where I'm gonna be installing this. So this is the bidet. Basically it's the thing that you use to wash your poop hole. I'm Filipino and in the Philippines we actually do not use this to wipe our asses or to clean our asses after we poop. Instead we use this. This is called tabo. So basically you get water from a bucket and then you use your hands to wipe yourself or to clean yourself after you do your business. Yeah, I'm tired of doing that because the distance between the toilet and the tub or where the bucket is like 2 feet, 3 feet apart. So that's why I decided to do this, and I can only do this if my husband is not here because he actually don't want me to do this because he said that it might fuck up everything, but I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give this one a try. It says that it fits 99% of all the toilet in America, and it would be so unfortunate if I'm part of that 1% where it does not work. So let's go. Let's do this. Alright, so I did watch a couple of videos before I do this myself. So the first thing that you need to do is turn off the water circuit. This part right here. It's the water outlet for your tank. And then you need to flush it, making sure that it is empty. I don't hear it filling up anymore. Alright, so that's the first step. So upon opening, this comes with this steel 120 centimeter shower tube. This tape. Ooh, these are all the things. Extra washers. So this is the T valve. This is the actual spray. And this is where you mount it. So I can either mount it here, put it here on the wall, or in the tank itself. So let's go ahead and do this first. Let me go ahead and unscrew this. Make sure that you have a towel too, so that if in case there's still water in there, it's not gonna flood your toilet. So that is done. Now it's time for me to put this underneath the tank. Then this will be connected in the bottom. I got a feeling that it's gonna leak, but let's hope for the best. So now we're gonna get this hose. So the short one is gonna go here in the bottom. So it already has the stopper right there. I watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube before I did this. Now this side is gonna go to the spray, this one. This is what it looks like so far. And I hope this works. No leaks, please. Alright, let's go ahead and turn this on. Okay, no leaks so far. Okay. Okay, that's nice. I'm just gonna turn it on like this side. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if it works. Oh my god, okay. It's working! Okay, no leaks at all, thank god. And then we can actually control the pressure from here. If you want it like that amount of pressure, you can also do that. But if you want it super duper high, it's gonna be like that. So the only problem is that the water is cold. So you might get chilled while you're washing your boo-boo. Yeah, here it is again. Again, no leaks. Turning it on. No leaks at all. That is how you set it up. Make sure the water stoppers are correct so that it doesn't have any leak. This is the spray head. Works perfectly fine. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching.